At a time when income inequality is rising around the world, the cooperative model offers a solution. It contains aspects of sustainable development at its core and is based on ethical values and principles. Cooperative's open membership model affords access to wealth creation and poverty elimination across the globe. The vibrant and dynamic cooperative movement in Kenya, the strongest in Africa, is a key player in the economy, controlling about 43% of Kenya's gross domestic product. The cooperative societies in Kenya directly employ hundreds of thousands of people, besides providing opportunities for self-employment to many more. The agriculturally productive county of Murang'a is home to one of the leading savings and credit cooperative societies, Mentor Sacco. Since its inception in 1977 as Murang'a Teachers Sacco, Mentor Sacco has continued to transform the lives of members in a great way.
My name is Joyce Begwa. I'm the acting CEO of Mentor Sacco. I've worked with Mentor Sacco for the last 20 years in various capacities. Previously, I was the finance manager. It was started by around 300 members who are all teachers, and it has grown with time. And in around 2000, it opened its common route to other employees of government departments and the ministries and status.
Cooperatives aspire to bring the benefits of the economic and social model to people from all walks of life. For many years, teachers were Mentor Sacco's mainstay. This has changed with time as the Sacco is now open to the non-teaching fraternity, including entrepreneurs, medical professionals, and farmers.
In around 2011, it was found prudent to accommodate other members from other sectors. Any person who is registered or recognized by law as a person in Kenya is eligible to become a member of Mentor Sacco, and including institutions and companies and business people. And that is how Mentor Sacco changed its name from Murang'a Teachers, because it was originally Murang'a Teachers Sacco, to Mentor Sacco, so that it can accommodate others and they don't feel like the Sacco is just for teachers and it is just for people in Murang'a County.
Opening up the Sacco to non-teaching members was a move that was received well in the market. According to the Sacco's Chief Executive Officer, most new members take up the Sacco's loan products and repay on time.
The ones that we have interacted with are actually very happy. They're saying that it was timely. They're enjoying the services. We have had them taking our products and even clearing them within a short time and applying for others. So we are hopeful and optimistic. We believe we are serving them well, and I'm sure more will continue coming.
Mentor Sacco is one of the fastest growing Saccos in Kenya with a highly diversified product offering. From savings accounts that have no ledger and monthly charges to credit facilities that attract low interest rate, the Sacco has defied customary banking product services. It has instead created a pool of products and services that give handsome returns to members.
In Mentor Sacco, we have various products tailored to meet or to suit members' needs. We have various types of loans. We have emergency loans, we have development loans, we have FOSA loans for the people who channel their salaries through the FOSA. We also have value addition products so that we can be able to reach our customers from wherever they are.
Small and medium businesses are the engines of economic growth.
We are new in that business. Remember I told you that we changed the name from Murang'a Teachers to Mentor Sacco. So we are encouraging the small SMEs to join the Sacco, and we have developed a product for them whereby we encourage members to save and then enjoy credit from us.
The SACCO runs a network of branches serving more than 15,000 members. It has 5 fully fledged branches located in Nairobi, Kenotown, Thika and Murang'a. It also runs satellite offices in Kiriaini, Kangari and Ithanga.
Currently, Mentor SACCO has 4 fully fledged branches. That is, we have a branch in Ngara in Nairobi, Park Road. We have a branch in Thika. We have a branch at Keno. And we have the branch here in the head office. And we have other small outlets that we refer to as satellites in various points of the county. We have one in Kangari town. We have another one in Kiriaini. We also have one in Ithanga, the far end of Murang'a County, neighboring Ukambani. And we have another small satellite office at Kandara.
For one to become a member, he or she has to join the SACCO by buying shares. It is through that model that members enjoy the full benefits of the SACCO. In Kenya, high and low income earners tend to spend all they have without saving for the future. They lack a good savings culture. SACCOs provide an avenue to members to save and grow their income through pooled investments.
Right now, we are seeing the members apart from the teaching fraternity. So many of them are coming on board into Mentor SACCO. As I said, when you bring that person here, you sit with him here, you explain the products that you have, you compare them with other financial institutions, then you find those people. They just open the accounts and they start operating with Mentor SACCO.
Okay.
So the product themselves, in fact, are bringing, and once you get one person, he starts bringing the others, telling them, come and show you where you can be able to get cheap credit.
Okay.
Yes.
Mentor SACCO has positioned itself as a customer-centric and market-led financial service institution. This is the reason it pays high dividends to its members.
We pay at good rates. For example, last year we paid our dividends at 11.7%.
For more than 5 years, the financial institution has been in the limelight as a SACCO that has paid very handsome dividends and interests on savings.
You have to become a member of Mentor SACCO, and becoming a member of Mentor SACCO, you have to have shares. We have a minimum share capital of 30,000, which you don't have to pay the shares immediately on joining, but you have to have a way of raising the amount. Even from the name, Mentor SACCO, Mentor Savings and Credit Cooperative. So for you to get credit, you have to have saved. Because that is why we are also able to offer products at better rates, because we read by the money that we mobilize from the members.
Okay.
According to the bylaws, one is supposed to save for at least 6 months, but due to competition, sometimes we look at case to case.
The cooperative also fosters external equality. It is committed to the sustainable development of communities, environmentally, socially, and economically. To transform the lives of members economically, Mentor SACCO offers competitive rates on loans.
Our interest rates are for the salaried loans. Of course, they are based on the shares. You are given at a multiplier of 4 times your shares, and the interest is at 1% per month on reducing balance. That translates to around 6.5% per annum. Effectively, if you do the calculations. Then the business loans, we are offering them at 1.5%. People say 1.5% is 18, but if you effectively calculate the interest that you pay on a monthly basis, because it is on a reducing balance, it is actually 9.75% per annum.
Not many SACCOs consider the social needs of their clients, but Mentor SACCO has an account specifically tailored for these purposes. A good example, the Holiday Account, which is a structured savings program for members who desire to save for their vacation. The SACCO also provides a children's savings account, which is an attractive package for parents and guardians to invest for their dependents' future. Mentor SACCO is categorized as a FOSA, Front Office Services Activity.
Previously, for example, when I was talking about when we were teachers, we were only offering the FOSA services. Bossa services, it means back office service activity, whereby you only enroll members and grant them loans that are, for example, the employees of the TSC. Yeah. By then we were only dealing with the TSC employees. So what you do, you only save, the members only save shares, and you grant them loans, and you don't pay them. You don't have they don't have bank accounts with you, or they don't hold the FOSA accounts with you. Yeah. So once you grant them loans, you draw checks, you write them checks, then they go and withdraw them or deposit them to other financial institutions. Okay. So that is what BOSA activity is about. You don't have an outlet directly to deal with customers. However, you don't deal with cash, you deal with checks. Then FOSA is a value addition service to our members, or to members, whereby now after serving them in the bank office, you can now transfer whatever loans that you have granted them to their FOSA accounts, and they can be able to access them directly without going to a bank. So the front office service is a value addition service, whereby you are able to serve your customers better, because they are able to access the money almost immediately after you grant them. Because when you issue them with a check, it means they will have to go to the bank, wait for the clearing period. But now immediately you offer the loan and post it in the member's account in the FOSA. The customer is able to access the money immediately.
Having rolled out a mobile banking platform, Mentor Sacco takes pride in the strides it has made in digitizing its services.
We have a mobile banking platform, which we popularly call, or is known as Cash, whereby members are able to make deposits, withdraw, pay bills, make funds transfers to various banks that have also pay bills, and the transactions are real time, such that once the member makes a transaction, it hits their account immediately. And we are encouraging our members to use the platform so that they can be able to be getting their services from wherever they are, from their homes, from their places of work, or anywhere. And we are encouraging them even more to make deposits with the same. And currently we are not charging any fees. We are meeting the deposit charges.
The world is changing with Mentor Quick Cash. You can now make deposits into your account, pay utility bills, check your account status, transfer money to other members' accounts, purchase airtime, transfer to other bank accounts, apply for loans, transfer money to your account, and withdraw money from your account. Mentor Quick Cash, we've got you sorted. Anytime, anywhere.
One of the main hurdles that the Sacco has faced, especially in this digital era, is having its customers informed of the available platforms at their disposal. With many other financial institutions jostling to serve Kenyans, Saccos have to stand out in terms of the product differentiation and service delivery.
We make sure that we give our customers the products that suit them based on their needs, so that we can be able to retain them and even attract more members.
Competition is among the challenges that Mentor Sacco grapples with.
There are various challenges. Challenges cannot miss in businesses. One is competition, which, it's not really a challenge, but it is something that makes you look forward and see how you will be able to retain your customers.
The financial institution has managed to weather storms to claim a place in the table of giant cooperatives. Indeed, the Sacco's chief executive is bullish that the cooperative will leverage on its growth trajectory to become the best in the country.
Our vision is to make sure that Mentor Sacco has become a bank of choice in Murang'a. And also we move beyond Murang'a town. Yeah. Remember, we have branches in Nairobi, we have branches in Thika. Yeah. We want to expand. We have members in Kajiado. We want to go to those areas and open so that we can bring so many members on board.
Over the years, Mentor Sacco has won accolades for transforming the lives of members. At this year's Ushirika Day, the International Cooperatives Day, which is marked in the first Saturday of July across the world, Mentor Sacco was crowned the best cooperative society in Murang'a County.
So they are the best in the world. within the county. So we need to recognize, we should borrow it from them.
Have won several trophies. The first one being the overall winner in everything that was supposed to happen within the function. Urban Circle's highest interest on loans. Then we have the best exhibitor 2017 for the function. Then we have the best theme interpreter 2017. Then we have of course, the one that I had said, the best overall performance circle in 2017. So I would attribute the good performance to the teamwork by the members of staff and the board members and the loyalty of our members who have patronized our products, and we really appreciate their support.
Ushirika Day is a day that also markets the circle, not mentor circle. Market the circle model. So as people move there, they now come to understand what are these circles. It is a day where all the circles will come together. Now, regardless whether you are Uniters, whether you are Murata or Amica, we sit down and then try to face the challenges that face the circle within the county.
For many circles, the ultimate goal is evolving into commercial banks. Not so with Mentor Circle, whose primary focus is becoming a market leader in its current business by satisfying its customers' needs.
We can be able to serve even more people as we are as a circle. So we don't have any intentions of becoming a bank. We would want to attract as many members as possible so that we maintain our identity. We want to be a circle.
We want to endeavor to make this society the best.